In today's content, we're going to talk about XRP, and then I'm going to show you how ballistic XRP going to be the next few weeks, right, coming up. So when you take a look at the price action of XRP, right, it's pretty interesting, right? A nice reversal pattern, right? A inverted head and shoulder, right? So a big rejection to the downside. It's not a big deal, right? We got a big support from this area of 50 EMA, right, for at least like 3 straight weeks, right? So when you take a look at it, right, so and then this area of 50 EMA was a big resistance back in October, right? Even October 15, when Bitcoin was like went from like I think 66 to 78, XRP couldn't even like get a big run up, right, because of this area of 50 EMA. So after that, XRP managed to break out of it and then make a big impulse move. So after this rejection right around this area of neckline, when you take a look at it, this area of neckline, we got a big rejection to the downside, right? And then look at it again, right? What type of support we got? We got this support from the 50 EMA, right? Just like Bitcoin got a support from the 50 EMA on the daily time frame, right? But this is the weekly time frame. So you can go back and watch my previous video about Bitcoin when I said like Bitcoin gonna get a support from the 50 EMA on the daily time frame after the sell-off, right? So XRP got a big support, a nice ABC correction to the downside, a normal rejection. LITECOIN went through this rejection before a run up, right? So and LITECOIN went up like after that, went up like 130% to the upside, right? So it's pretty normal, right? 10 to 15% rejection from a neckline is not a big deal, right? So but when you take a closer look, right, we got a massive basically support from this 50 EMA. So what I'm expecting from XRP to do, I'm very horrible with time frame, right? But let's say the next like a couple of weeks, at least this week, we're gonna get some sort of a volatility from XRP this week, because I think like 3 weeks is enough for accumulation, right? So that's 21 days. So as soon as we break out this we break above this trend line right around this area, I'm expecting XRP to go ballistic and then challenge this area of a neckline, so and then make a 1-to-1 extension up to this area of all-time high. So I'm expecting XRP to go back to all-time high, just like BNB and Chainlink, and then Tron most likely going to all-time high also versus BTC, right? So I'm expecting XRP to go back to all-time high versus BTC before end of the summer, right? So keep an eye on XRP. Don't sleep on XRP, right? I said the same thing about the WANCHAIN and ICX. When they were like under 30 cents, right? And then they both now like almost 40 cents. So and then XLM also, when XLM was 7 cents, I said like XLM gonna go ballistic. So at the same time, keep an eye on ADA. Don't sleep on ADA. As soon as XRP, ADA and XRP, they move together. So but just let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. When you take a look at the daily time frame, we got a double divergence. When you take a look at this area of RSI, right, we got a first divergence, right, just about this area, right? When you take a look at it, we got a nice divergence, right? RSI is moving to the upside, right? Basically, moving. I could say it's relatively flat, right? And then you can see this sort of a U-turn we're making right now on the RSI, right? And then if you go back to the price action, price was still moving to the downside, right? Take a look at this. Price was moving to the downside, and RSI is still moving to the upside, right? Another divergence, right? Okay, so this tells you, right, it is basically telling you like somebody is accumulating XRP somebody is accumulating XRP big time, right? So price still moving to the downside, right? We got a relatively flat bottom, right, just about this area. So I'm expecting a big run from XRP very shortly. No time frame. This crossover between the 50 and then the 100 EMA kind of scare people off. So and then price keep moving to the downside. But most likely this divergence going to give people like some sort of a confident to be buying more XRP very shortly, right? So keep an eye on XRPs this week and next week for a 25 to 30% move to the upside, right? If not, the next area of support for XRP is just about this area. So just about this area. So you would be looking at, let's see, about 10%, 8 to 12% down, right? So, and I don't see XRP going back to 25 cents anytime soon. So so just keep an eye on XRP, at least for the short term, right? So that's about it for today. Let me know what you think down below the comment section, if you think like XRP is going back to all-time high before the summer. That's my short prediction my short time prediction for XRP to go back to all-time high versus BTC, right? So all right, that's about it for today. Thank you for watching.